Hello students, as you have seen the title and thumbnail, we are going to study the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol and PCl3, PBr3 or PI3. Let us start with the reaction and its mechanism. First of all, let us take the reaction. Now what's the reaction of alcohol with PCl3? Okay, now when 3 molecules of alcohol, why 3 molecules? I will tell it to you later. Okay. When 3 molecules of alcohol reacts with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus tribromide or phosphorus triiodide, okay, it results in the preparation of 3 molecules of alkyl chloride. Okay, this is your alcohol which reacts with phosphorus trichloride. It gives alkyl chloride with phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid, H3PO3, phosphorus acid, H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Now let us start with the mechanism in a proper way. Okay. First of all, you should remember that phosphorus has atomic number 15. Phosphorus has atomic number 15, due to which its electronic configuration according to above principle is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Okay, that means first orbit contains S, second orbit contains S and P, third orbit contains sp and d, which is empty. This is the empty d orbital present in phosphorus. Okay, it has an empty d orbital, and in an empty space electrons can be accepted. Okay, in an empty space electrons can be accepted over there. Okay, let us see the reaction with its mechanism now. See the mechanism over here. Mechanism over here, that is phosphorus trichloride, Cl. Okay, reacts with 3 molecules of alcohol. I am taking alcohol first molecule because the reaction takes place in stepwise manner. The reaction takes place, means first alcohol reacts, then second, then third. Okay, that means I am taking it in first manner. Over here, oxygen atomic number is 8, 2,6. That means second orbit contains 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When it combines with hydrogen, it completes its octet, but it has how many electrons pending? That is 4 electrons pending. Therefore, this oxygen also has 4 electrons. The alcohol has oxygen which has 4 electrons pending. Okay, the electronegativity, see here, the electronegativity of Cl is more than phosphorus. Now what is the meaning of electronegativity? The ability to attract shared electron, means the electrons are attracted towards chlorine. See here. Okay, now since chlorine is attracting the electrons, chlorine will gain a certain negative charge. Okay, as we do know, sodium donates electron, it carries a positive charge. Chlorine accepts the electron, it carries a negative charge. Similarly over here, chlorine has the ability to attract this shared pair of electron. It carries a partial negative charge, partial negative charge, partial negative charge, due to which phosphorus carries a partial positive charge. Phosphorus carries a partial positive charge. Now this phosphorus has a positive charge, okay, and an empty space, that is empty d orbital. Now this positive charge can attract the electrons and keep those electrons in the empty space over here. Okay, now from where will it attract the electron? From oxygen. Why? Because oxygen contains how many electrons? 4 electrons pending. Without reaction, it will try to make its electrons react. The oxygen donates its electron over here. Okay. Now over here, R O H, oxygen has 4 electrons, phosphorus Cl Cl Cl. Phosphorus donates its electron. Now how many electrons are donated? If you can see, oxygen donates 1 electron. One of the electron is kept towards itself. Is it right? That means oxygen donates 1 electron, it carries a positive charge, and phosphorus accepts an electron, it carries a negative charge. Single bond. Okay? As we don't know, phosphorus, okay, phosphorus has now negative charge and chlorine is accepting that electron. Is it right? That means phosphorus donates this electron to chlorine because the electronegativity of chlorine is more. It will attract the electron from a strong negative charge particle. Is it right? Okay, phosphorus is electron rich now. It will have the ability to donate the electron. Okay, and chlorine has the ability to attract the electron. Therefore, chlorine will attract the electron very easily. Okay, now oxygen will attract the electron from R. Now why R? If R is a methyl group, consider R stands for alkyl group, as we have told over here, alkyl, that means methyl, CH3. Okay, O H. Okay, there a question arises, why this oxygen positive charge attracts electron from R, not from H? Okay, now if we see methyl, the electrons are moving in this manner. Is it right? See there, carbon has more electronegativity than hydrogen. That's why the electrons are moving in this direction. Now the electrons are accumulated over carbon. That means carbon will carry a negative charge, and this negative charge will donate the electron to oxygen. That means this electron can be donated to oxygen. See? Okay? Therefore, the R donates the electron to oxygen. Okay? Due to which there is preparation of R. Since R is over here, I will write it in this manner: O H, single bond O, charge positive, phosphorus charge negative, Cl Cl Cl. I have written again. Now over here, phosphorus charge negative. Now over here, phosphorus is donating the electron. How many electron? 1. Therefore, it carries a positive charge. Cl is accepting the electron. It accepts the electron and carries a negative charge. Whereas R over here donates the electron. How many? 1 over here. 1. Therefore, it carries a positive charge. Oxygen accepts the electron, carries a negative charge. And this plus minus becomes neutral. This plus minus becomes neutral. Okay? Due to which this positive attracts the negative and forms. See, R positive attracts the negative and forms RCl. Okay? POH Cl Cl. Is it right? Okay? Now, if we see, now also there are 2 Cl which are attracting electrons from phosphorus. Which are attracting electrons from phosphorus. Is it right? See here, there were 3 Cl. Okay? That means phosphorus now can react with second alcohol. It will be in this manner. Same reaction, second procedure. Second one. This was the first one. This was the second one. First alcohol. How many alcohols are reacting? 3 alcohols. First alcohol has been reacted. Now the second alcohol. R O H, 4 electrons plus. One of the alcohol is reacted. It has been converted into phosphorus. OH, Cl, Cl. Okay? Now, again the phosphorus has empty d orbital, due to which oxygen donates electron, phosphorus carries this electron, and then R, Cl similar condition, O, H, Oxygen carries a positive charge by donating electron. Okay, by donating one of the electron, oxygen carries a positive charge, phosphorus carries a negative charge, single bond. But over here there is OH. Okay. Now, the electronegativity of chlorine is more than phosphorus, and phosphorus carries a which charge? Negative. Therefore, Cl will attract this electron and oxygen will attract from whom? R. Okay, due to which oxygen H, phosphorus OH. Okay, Cl. R, Cl. Negative, positive. Phosphorus is donating the electron, you can see. Therefore, it carries a positive charge and Cl carries a negative charge. Okay, similarly, oxygen is accepting the electron. As we can see over here, it carries a negative charge and this carries a positive charge. Plus minus becomes neutral, plus minus becomes neutral. This plus attracts the negative charge. That means RCl. Okay, similar condition. RCl. How many alcohols have reacted? This was the first alcohol, this was the second alcohol. I will write over the first, second. One more Cl is pending, as you can see over here. One more Cl is pending, that means one more alcohol can be reacted. One more Cl is pending, that means one more alcohol can be reacted. Over here. Third one. ROH, 4 electrons, phosphorus, Cl, sorry, not Cl now, OH, and Cl. Is it right? Phosphorus, OH and Cl. Okay? Now, the oxygen donates the electron. Why? Phosphorus contains empty d orbitals. Okay? And results in the preparation of ROH. Oxygen carries 4 electrons. Phosphorus, OH, Cl. Okay, Cl has more electronegativity, as we know. Oxygen donates electron. How many electrons? 1. Therefore, it carries a positive charge. Phosphorus carries a negative charge. Now, phosphorus donates this electron. Since it has become electron rich, it will donate the electron. Negative charge means electron rich. It will donate the electron. To whom? Which is attracting. Who is attracting? Cl. That means this electron is donated to Cl and oxygen will attract from R, as we have known over here, that is CH3 alkyl group. Electron movement is in this manner. Then R donates the electron, therefore it carries a positive charge, plus OH. Oxygen accepts the electron, therefore it carries a negative charge. It was already a positive charge, single bond P, OH. Phosphorus donates the electron, it carries a positive charge, and already it was a negative charge, plus Cl accepts the electron, carries a negative charge. This plus minus, this plus minus gets neutralized. Okay, phosphorus donates, therefore it carries a positive charge. It was already a negative charge, therefore plus minus gets neutral, plus minus gets neutral. This R combines with Cl and forms RCl plus P, OH, and OH. That is H3PO3. H3PO3. You can see over here. H3PO3. Okay. Then 3 molecules of alcohol. 1, 2, and 3rd. This is your 3rd molecule. React with PCl3. It results in the preparation of alkyl chloride, RCl. Okay. How many molecules? 3. You can see. First molecule, second molecule, and 3rd molecule. Okay, I hope you have understood the video very properly. If you have understood the video, then please like this, share this, and subscribe this video. Okay, thank you, students.